Hello everyone, this is Linda, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will step by step how to install JDK on Windows 11. Before we start it, please subscribe, leave a comment, and hit the notification bell to receive more videos on the latest Java. Now, let's get started. So what is JDK? JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It is a software development environment used for developing, debugging, and running Java applications. The JDK provides the necessary tools, libraries, and components required for Java development.
Now open up your browser and type JDK download and click Java Downloads on www.oracle.com. Here you can see oracle.com page, Java Downloads, Java 20, and Java 17 available now. 20 is the latest release of Java. When you scroll down, now on this page you can see Java Development Kit for various platforms such as Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. Here I'm going to select to Windows and select 64 Installer, select the link, and wait for the download to complete. Once it complete, click the file and open it, and click Next button. Here it's your default location where Java will be installed on Windows 11 operating system. If you want to change location to install, you just click Change button to change destination. Here I just use default and click on Next and wait this process complete. And close the window. Next step. Go to the C drive, click Program Files where the Java has installed, and click Java so you can see JDK 20 version. Click it. You can see all this folder. Java is installed on my Windows 11 operating system. Now close the window and go search bar, type, edit the system environment variable for your account, and click it to open so you can see this kind of window. You can also open this edit environment variable using control panel, so you can search for a control panel and then just view by category here and then click on System and Security, then click on System, and then once the system window opens, you can click on Advanced System Settings and then click on Environment Variables and will show you a new window. So you need to click on the path environment variable under System Variables and then click on Edit. And here you need to add the path to your JDK folder binaries. So go to the C drive and click Program Files and Java folder, and click JDK folder, and then click on Bin folder. So we need to go inside the bin folder and copy the path. Copy the bin folder path and go back to the environment variable window, click on New, and then just paste the path which is going to add this path to your environment variables. Click on OK. So your Java environment variable is set now. You also need the Java home environment variable on your Windows operating system. Now, go at the top under User Variable section and then click on New here. And then the variable name you need to provide here is Java_home. All need to write is in capital letter. After that, go back to the JDK 20 folder, click it. Remember, don't go inside the bin folder. Now just copy the path JDK folder and then just paste this path under variable values. Okay, so you can see there is no bin folder added here, only the path until the JDK folder. Click on OK, and then click on OK, and then click on OK, which is going to set the environment variable for Java on your Windows 11 operating system. Now go search bar, type CMD, and open the command prompt by typing Java -version here. Then press Enter. And it's going to show the version of Java, so you can see Java version 20. 0.2 is installed on my Windows 11 operating system. Now, if you want to compile a Java file, You can use the Java command, so you can just type Java C space hyphen version, then press enter, and you can see the Java C version is also the same 20.0.2. So now you can use Java C to compile a Java file on your Windows 11 operating system. Congratulations! You have installed Java and set the environment variables on your Windows 11 operating system.
That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please subscribe, leave a comment, and hit the notification bell to receive more videos about Java information. I'll see you in the next video.